Okay, let's start. Good morning, class. 1 to 14 question. Exercise 5.3, 1 to 14 question. Any doubt? Raise your hand. 1 to 14 question. Any doubt? No doubt. 1 to 14 question. 5.3 exercise. Any doubt? Raise your hand if you have doubt in exercise 5.3 first 14 question. Okay, start reading 15 question statement. Yes, Chirag.
Sir, 11th question.
11th question is if the sum of first and term. बेटा ये कल डिस्कस किया था, एक बार वीडियो दोबारा देखना यार. यस,
समझ नहीं आया.
ओके. It is given that if the sum of first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, what is the first term? Now we have discussed that for first term, that is A1, this is equal to S1. So S1, if n is 1, then this will become 4 into 1 minus 1 square. So this is 4 minus 1, that is 3. So first term is 3. And then it is asked, what is the sum of first two terms? First two terms the sum, S2. Substitute n equals to, so this is 4. So sum of two term is 4. Now, what is second term?
80.
Yes, Manan. Now, for second term, that is A2, the formula will be S2 minus S1. The formula was AN equals Sn minus Sn minus 1. This was the formula to find nth term if you have given the sum of two consecutive terms. Now this is A2, that is S2, 4 minus S1, that is 3. So this is 1. Then it is asked, similarly find third and tenth. For third term, this will be S3 minus S2. And for 10th term, this will be S10 minus S9. You just substitute the value of n equals 3 and then n equal to, and here n equals 10 and n equals 9. Can you solve? Chirag?
Yes, sir.
And the final, it is asked that find the nth term. For nth term, the formula will be Sn minus 1. So Sn, for Sn, this is 4n minus n square. And for n minus 1, this will become 4 times n minus 1 minus n minus 1 whole square. Just solve this. Yes, Manan.
Sir, sir, this 12th question.
12th question. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. दिखाओ कहाँ पे ट्राई किया तुमने, नोटबुक दिखाओ.
सर समझ में ही नहीं आया, इसीलिए.
समझ में ही नहीं आया. अच्छा 13 समझ में आ गया.
कौन सा?
13.
सर 12, 13, 14 तीनों डाउट है. अगर 12th आएगा तो तीन दोनों आ जाएंगे बाकी वाले, इसलिए.
कल वाली वीडियो दोबारा देखी थी?
नो सर.
देखी थी? Here it is said that find the sum of first 40 positive integers. So first 40 positive integer means n equals 40. divisible by 6. So first positive integer that is divisible by 6 is 6. Second 12, third 18, and so on. So here a is 6, a2 is 12. Find d. Use the
सर
minus a1.
सर
Yes.
सर ये इससे पता चल सर ये एन लास्ट टर्म तो 36 होगी ना इससे एल
लास्ट टर्म 36 नहीं होगी बेटा.
क्योंकि सर डिविजिबल बाय 6 है ना.
हाँ तो डिविजिबल बाय 6 फर्स्ट टर्म दिस सेकंड थर्ड ऐसे आपको 40 टर्म्स काउंट करनी है. 40 तक नहीं बोला उसने. फ्रॉम 0 to 40.
सर मतलब 6 into 40 होगा जितना भी लास्ट टर्म.
मतलब कुछ भी हो सकती है. nth टर्म विल बी a plus n minus 1 into d. ये जो आपकी टर्म आएगी मींस 240 that will be your nth term.
6 into 40 वही.
Yes. Now it is clear.
Yes sir.
Any other doubt? Exercise 5.3.
सर और ये इसके आगे वाले वो जो वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स है वो कॉपी में लिखनी है क्या हमें?
नहीं वर्ड प्रॉब्लम आप कॉपी में रहने देना. ट्राई करना है आपको बस. यस देवेंद्र -2 -15 -15 व्हाट इज दिस?
-17.
अच्छा कल 2 क्वेश्चन दिए थे वो किस किसने कर लिए? फाइंड द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट n इवन एंड फर्स्ट n ऑड नंबर.
Even and odd.
यस. आयुष्मान और किसने किया? चिराग. Prakash, Devender. So first question was find the sum of first n positive odd number. So first odd number is 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. So first a is 1, d will be a2 minus a1. That is 2. Now use the formula Sn equals n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This will become n by 2 2a, that is 2 into 1 2 plus n minus 1 into d. This is n by 2 2 plus 2 n minus 2. This will get cancelled out and we left with n by 2 into 2n. So n square. किस किस का सही है? n square. मधुसूदन और आयुष्मान. मयंक. मयंक
यस सर.
ट्राई किया था या नहीं?
सर किया था.
क्या आंसर आया?
सर आंसर है Sn इज इक्वल टू n फिर ब्रैकेट n प्लस 1 फिर ब्रैकेट क्लोज अपॉन 2. सर इवन
नंबर का वो इवन नंबर वाले का आया होगा 2 4 6 वाले का.
यस सर.
वो आप आंसर बोल रहे हो इसका होगा 2 4 6 वाले का इवन नंबर. गौरी आई विल रिपीट.
यस सर.
First of all write the AP, that is odd number. First odd number is 1 3 5 7. Now first term, that is A1 equals A is 1. D, formula for D is A2 minus A1. 3 minus 1, 2. Now use the formula of Sn, sum of n term, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D.
D.
Now substitute the value, you will get the answer n square. Yes, Shivansh?
Answer of even it is n plus n square.
For even this is
N plus n square.
n plus 1 square.
N plus n square. N.
N plus n square, yes. For even this is 2, 4, 6,
N
8.
square. N square.
A is 2 and D will be same. 4 minus 2
2.
is 2.
Oh, no.
The only difference will be in A. So substitute the value A. This will be
2n square. Yeah.
2 into 2. That is 4.
4.
This is n by 2. 4 minus 2. 2n plus 2, and taking 2 common, this will be n into n plus 1. N into n plus 1. स्टूडेंट इस फॉर्मूले को डायरेक्ट भी लर्न करना है कि 2 4 6 8 के लिए n into n plus 1 होता है और 1 3 4 7 मतलब ओड नंबर के लिए n स्क्वायर होता है. एमसीक्यू में क्वेश्चन बनता है कि फर्स्ट 30 पॉजिटिव ओड नंबर का सम कितना होगा. Hurry up, answer it. Find the sum of first 6 even numbers. Find the sum of first 6 even number. डायरेक्ट आंसर लिखना है.
22
एमसीक्यू टाइप क्वेश्चन है तो डायरेक्ट आंसर.
62 सर. 62.
52. Option are 43, 42, 44, 45.
Sorry sir, 42, 42. 42.
42.
Yes sir.
Is it clear? For 6 the even number the formula was n into n plus 1. So 6 into 7 that is 42. अगर एमसीक्यू में आता है डायरेक्ट करेंगे, लेकिन अगर ये 3 मार्क्स और 4 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन आता है तो पूरा कंप्लीट मेथड लगाएंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट a, then we will write d common difference, then we will solve. But in MCQ we will directly use the formula and pick the answer, that is 42. Find the sum of first 98 odd numbers. Find the sum of first 98 odd numbers. Find the sum of first 98 odd number. सबसे फास्ट प्रवीण, that is 9604. Any other option? 9604, 9704, 9844, 9984. Mohit 9704, Avni 9604. Yes, 9604 is right. So for odd number the formula was n square. For odd number the formula was n square. So simply multiply square. Find the square of 98. Shivansh,
Sir,
how you will find the square of 98?
100 minus 2 whole square.
इससे भी एक शॉर्टकट बताया था वैदिक मैथ की।
sir,
100 minus
sir,
100 minus 2, अरे 100 minus 2 whole square.
इसका भी एक शॉर्टकट बताया था। यस मनन,
सर इसको an इक्वल टू a प्लस n माइनस डी से भी कर सकते हैं ना?
किससे?
an nth टर्म इक्वल टू a प्लस n माइनस डी।
नहीं, उससे
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
ऐसा नहीं यूज करो। For 98 we use the concept that it is 2 less than 100, so the square of 2, that is 04. Now subtract 2 from this is 96. वैदिक मैथ में हमने किया था ना कि 98 का अगर स्क्वायर फाइंड करना है तो 100 से कितना लेस है 2, so square of 2 is 04 and 98 minus 2, that is 96. I now read the statement of 15th question. A contract on construction job specify a penalty. 15th question. Yes, Shivansh.
What sir?
Yes, Shivansh, बोलो।
नहीं सर, ये वैदिक मैथ्स वाला कब करवाया था?
ये वेकेशन से पहले हुआ था।
सर टेलीग्राम पे?
नहीं, ग्रुप में ही आई थी, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में आई थी वीडियोस।
यस सर, यूट्यूब वाली आई थी।
मैसेज कर देना, मैं सेंड कर दूंगा। I will forward you. Now read the statement of 15th question. A contract on construction. Specify a penalty for failure of completion beyond a certain date as follows. For the first day, the penalty is ₹200 and
सर
₹250.
डन,
Yes,
सर डन।
ये 15th.
यस सर।
Okay. For the second day, the penalty is 250, and similarly for third day, this is 300, and so on. If the work is delayed for the 30 days, find the penalty. Means n is 30, and we have to find the Sn. Total जो उसकी वो लगेगी, पेनल्टी लगेगी, वो कितनी लगेगी? फर्स्ट डे अगर एक दिन डिले होता है तो 200 रुपीज, फॉर सेकंड दिस इज 250. तो n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You can solve this. Will you solve this? Yes, Devendra.
सर ये सॉल्व हो गया। इसका आंसर है 27750।
आंसर आप पीछे से मैच कर लो, ठीक है, इजी है।
हाँ सर।
16th sum. A sum of ₹700 is to be used to give 7 cash prize to students of a school for their overall academic performance. if each price is 20 less than its preceding price. So इसमें क्या है कि अगर जो मेरा फर्स्ट प्राइस है, फर्स्ट प्राइस अगर मैं x रुपीस दे रहा हूं तो जो सेकंड प्राइस होगा दैट विल बी x minus 20. If first price is x, then the second price will be x minus 20. And similarly, the third price will be x minus 40. 20 less than its preceding price. This is preceding price for this one. And for this, the preceding price is x minus 20. And we have given that a sum 700 means SN is 700 and the number of cash price is 20. 7 cash price. So this is S7 means N is given 7. You have to find the value of this X. Can you solve this? This will be 700 into 7 by 2 2a, that is x plus n minus 1, that is 7 minus 1 into d. Here the d will be minus 20. So this will be 1400, 200 equals 2x plus minus 140 plus 20. You can find the value of x and then you will write the AP. In 17th question, in a school, students thought of planting trees. Read 17th statement. ये खुद ट्राई कर लेना बेटा, नोटबुक पे करने की जरूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ रफ नोटबुक पे आप ट्राई कर लेना. मैं आपको हिंट दे रहा हूं, अगर डाउट है तो आप पूछ लो. यस मधुसूदन.
यस सर.
यस
आ रहा है समझ में.
यस मनन.
सर ये 16th वाले में ये आंसर सर 160 आ रहा है, उसके बाद सर 160 माइनस 20 140 आ रहा है, उसके बाद क्या करना है?
बस 160 140 120 यही आपको लिखना है. सारे के सारे कैश प्राइस पूछे हुए
सर जो लास्ट में आ रहा है उससे माइनस करते जाना है बस 20.
आपको सबसे पहले x की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी तो x में से माइनस 20 करते जाओ. Subtract 20 from preceding price. Read 17th statement. 17. सेवनटीन स्टेटमेंट में बोला है कि किसी स्कूल में क्लास फर्स्ट से लेके क्लास 12 तक बच्चे हैं. जो जिस क्लास पे है उतने ही प्लांट कर रहा है ट्रीज को, उतने ही ट्रीज प्लांट कर रहा है. यस मधुसूदन एंड मनन.
यस सर.
एनी डाउट?
नो सर.
सर
Then lower your hand. In a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class. Means for class 1, they will plant 1 tree and class 12 will plant 12 trees in which they are studying. Example, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree and a section of class 2 will plant 2 trees and so on till class plus 2. There are 3 sections. With for class 1, if there are 3 sections, then class 1 will complete 3. Similarly for class 2, they will plant 6 trees and for 3 they will plant 9 trees. Is it clear? Now, how many trees will be planted by the students? So the AP will be 3, 6, 9 and so on, and N is 12. You will find the value of D, that is 3, 6 minus 3. A2 minus A1, 6 minus 3 is your D, common difference, and then apply the formula of Sn. Sn equals N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. You know the value of N, you know the value of D and A. So find the value of Sn, that is S20. In 18th question, read 18th question statement. Yes, Shivansh.
Sir, in 17th we can use S12 is equals to N upon 2 A plus L also, no?
Repeat. In 17th,
We can use S12 is equals to N upon 2 A plus L also, no? Because
yes,
we have A is equals to
you can use because nth term will be 12 into 3, that is 36.
36. Yes.
एटीन्थ और 19 20 ये एक बार क्वेश्चन आप ट्राई कर लेना. इससे पहले मैं एक इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है ऑप्शनल एक्सरसाइज ओपन कर लो. 5.4 ओपन एक्सरसाइज 5.4 स्टेटमेंट नंबर 2. द सम ऑफ थर्ड एंड सेवंथ टर्म ऑफ एन एपी. Second statement, exercise 5.4, the sum of third and seventh term. Sorry, first question, which term of AP is its first negative term? First question, exercise 5.4. This is only question which is important as well as using a different concept. Which term of AP, that is 121, 117, 113 is its first negative term. So here A is 121. A is 121 and D, that is A2 minus A1, 117 minus 121. This will be minus 4. Now we have to find N for which the term will be negative, first negative term, because this is decreasing AP. 117, 13, then this will be 109. So this is decreasing AP. So we have to find the first negative term. Which term of the AP is first negative term? Now nth term equals A plus N minus 1 into D. But this nth term should be less than 0 because a negative number, if this is my number line, on this right hand side these are positive and on the left hand side the numbers are negative and these are less than 0. So nth term is less than 0 and A plus N minus 1 into D will be less than 0. Any doubt up to here? Raise your hand if you have doubt up to here. Why I am writing nth term less than 0? No doubt. Now A is 121 plus N minus 1 into D, that is minus 4, less than 0. So this is 121 minus 4N minus minus plus 4 less than 0. 121 plus 4, this will be 125 minus 4n less than 0. Any doubt? Yes, Shivansh? Yes, Shivansh, any doubt? Now, (125) is less than 4n. I'm taking this 4n on the right hand side, so this is minus and it will become positive. So n will be greater than 125 divided by 4. So n will be greater than 31 1 by 4. So इससे जो बड़ा नेक्स्ट पॉजिटिव इंटीजर जो है, नेक्स्ट पॉजिटिव इंटीजर को 31.5 is 32. So 32nd term will be the first negative term. Any doubt? Now if here this is asked, find the first negative term. Find the first negative term, then you will find A32. But in this statement it is asked which term of AP, means we have to find n for which the AP will have first negative term. If this is asked, find the first negative term, then you will find the value of A32. If any toughest question makes from this exercise, then this will be the only question. This is the toughest question. Now tomorrow we will discuss the doubts of exercise of chapter 5. You can ask from any textbook, whether from R.D. Sharma or any book. But I will prefer, first of all, complete your NCERT. Complete your NCERT 1 or 2 times. Yes, Manan?
Sir, today is our English class.
Wait, notice मिल जाएगा.
Sir, so we have to join the class for 15 minutes or not?
मैसेज कर देंगे बेटा ग्रुप में. स्टूडेंट एक चीज और ध्यान रखना, अगर आप एक्स्ट्रा बुक प्रेफर कर रहे हो तो उसमें अगर आपको कहीं भी ये लिखा हुआ कि the sum of 3 numbers of an AP is this, then you have to assume the 3. If you have to assume 3 numbers of AP, then you will assume A minus B, A and A plus B. For 3 terms, you will assume this A minus B, A plus D. Why? Because when you add these terms, this will become 3A. Then this makes the question very easy. जब भी हमें अज्यूम करना होता है तो हम अपनी मर्जी से अज्यूम करते हैं कि हम क्या चाहते हैं. तो अगर ये अज्यूम करेंगे तो ये हमारे क्वेश्चन को इजी कर देगा. तो जब भी 3 टर्म्स को अज्यूम करना होगा तो आप यही अज्यूम करो, A minus B, A plus D. Now any doubt in chapter 5.4, any concept that was not clear to you, any formula, any question? Raise your hand. Mohit, I will check and then tell you. Any doubt? Avni?
Yes, sir.
What is the formula of Sn if you know the value of first term and the last term? Formula for sum of n term if you know nth term and first term. अच्छा इसकी 30 सेकंड टर्म फाइंड करो, फर्स्ट नेगेटिव टर्म फाइंड करो इसकी, हरी अप, फाइंड फर्स्ट नेगेटिव टर्म ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन एक्सरसाइज 5.4 फाइंड 30 सेकंड टर्म. यस मनन.
सर फाइंड कर रहा हूँ सर, मैंने